Hi, I'm RJ and welcome to my mythos. I have got a Glossybox unboxing to do, and wonder of wonders, it's actually at the beginning of the post cycle. Oh my god, sometimes Glossybox sends these things out on time. So Glossybox in the UK is meant to ship between I believe it's the 5th and the 12th, and today is the 6th, and I received my box yesterday, which means they shipped it early, which is frankly baffling, but yay, win for me for once. So this month is another special design box. It doesn't actually show up very well on camera, but that does say bloom and grow, and it's this beautiful blue colour rather than the pink. I like these special design boxes. I tend to use them for storing things in my house. Like, I've got 4 of these in my wardrobe that have got different types of tights in them, which is weird because I don't actually wear that many tights. Now, because I am impatient, I have actually looked at what is inside this, and we've got a good one for once. There's a lot of makeup related things. Have Glossybox actually listened to feedback that people have been giving them? Who's to say? Anyway, let me pull out all the crap out of this. I'll get the little scanning card out and we will get unboxing. So, we've got the magazine up, we've scanned the little card. There's no competition this month, like last month's Frozen one. I wonder if anyone actually won that. That'd be really cool to hear about. I didn't, that's the main thing. So it looks like this month there was lots of things that we could have got, and we've got a variety. It looks like there's 2 or 3 of them that are, you could have got this or this things, which I do like, because I like the element of differentness and the element of surprise. So even if you see all their reveals on social media, you're not necessarily going to know what is in your specific box. But it's also a little bit annoying because usually what they give me is not the one I want. So let's see how it went this month. Right, let's go. Now, the first thing in here is from Christoph Robin, and it is the Cleansing Purifying Scrub. I love this stuff. They've given us this a couple of times now. This is, it's a really intense shampoo, basically. It really gets all the gunk out of your scalp. I think it's this one they've given us anyway. They've definitely given us Christoph Robin scalp scrubby things before, and they're always really good. But I'll just read you what it actually says. This cleansing purifying scrub from Christoph Robin contains exfoliating and soothing properties to rebalance and purify your scalp and leave your hair feeling fresh and shiny. Deluxe size worth £9. We only ever get the deluxe sizes in these. I'd love to see what a full size is. This is 40ml or 1.3 fluid ounces, if that's how you measure those things. They're brilliant. I love them. They usually smell really nice as well. Usually a bit mentholy. Oh, that's got a bit of a fragrance to it. Not sure what it is, but oh yeah, it's proper salt scrub. It's probably not salt, is it? Because salt's probably not the best thing to get in your scalp, because that would sting a lot. But it's some kind of exfoliating scrubby thing anyway. Let's see. See if it says. It does say sodium chloride, which makes me think salt. Oh yes, with sea salt. Yeah, it's got sea salt in, so it is salt. I was right. But yes, I am happy to receive that. I love this stuff. It's great. Now, to go along with that, the second thing in the box is one of these things. I've been saying I'm going to buy one of these for about a year because they just look so therapeutic and relaxing. And I finally own one. Glossybox actually came through without me having to spend like a tenner on one of these because they're ridiculously priced for a piece of plastic with some spikes in it. Sorry, for those of you who don't know what this is a scalp massager, and this one in particular is from Brushworks. Don't know if you can see that because it's white on pink, which is never the best design choice, but anyway. What do Glossybox say about it? Glossybox say, level up your hair care routine with this scalp massager from Brushworks. With a sleek, easy-to-grip design, this tool will stimulate healthy hair growth while keeping dandruff and oil build-up under control. When I got impatient and looked inside this box yesterday, this was the first thing I saw, and I was so happy. I do a casual acting gig occasionally with a theatre company some of my friends have, And I've been doing that this month because we've been doing some Easter holiday family shows. It's been fantastic fun, but I've had to have my hair in like Rey from the Star Wars trilogy, the third Star Wars trilogy, the newer Star Wars films anyway, with the 3 buttons, and I've had so much hairspray in my hair that it's just been caked and itchy and awful. I used this last night. I wish I'd known about this. I'd have used this as well, but I missed this because I was so distracted by the fact that I got one of these. This is fantastic. It's one of the best things I own. Like, it feels so good on your head. Even just doing that now feels really nice. Oh, like, I genuinely think my hair is probably too thin to use one of these all the time when I'm washing my hair. But, oh God, for getting that build-up out. Oh. Anyway, that's some insight into my life outside of the camera. Let's put this down and we'll see what's next in the box. So that's the hair care portion of the box out of the way. Now we're going into the makeup portion, and we have a Great Lengths mascara. I don't know who this is from. This is Botanicue? Botanicue. That's not a word. That's a made-up word. If you're gonna make a beauty company, please can we start making them things that people can actually pronounce? Anyway, by the by, Botanicue. Something Beauty Great Lengths mascara. Okay, now I really wish we'd got this last month because I ran out of mascara. I was babying a Maybelline Sky High mascara for way longer than you actually recommended should do. You know, you're meant to throw these things out every, 3 months? There's usually a little thing on here that tells you. Every 3 months, whatever it is for mascaras. I babied that thing for about a year. And it was running out, it was running dry. And I was like, Glossybox always give us mascaras. I'm sure I can make this last. And I couldn't. And I fell for the hype and I bought that L'Oreal telescopic thing that went round on TikTok. Which had a whole bunch of drama about it. But, you know, I saw it in Superdrug and went, I've heard about that. Grab that one. And it's good. It's a good mascara. Like, it's genuinely is a good mascara. And the drama has really not done it any favours. But lo and behold, the very next month we get a mascara. Isn't that always the case? Anyway, I'll just read you what Glossybox say about this. So, thicken, lengthen and curl your lashes with Beauty's Great Lengths Mascara. Containing conditioning ingredients, your lashes will be strengthened from root to tip for a voluptuous look. £18. £18 is about... Actually, you know, the L'Oreal one I bought was only 14, so... This better be good. I mean, it looks a bit cheap, doesn't it? Like, that's not the most interesting packaging you've ever seen. As nice as the colours are, and as spring-themed as they are as well. That is the one thing this box has done well so far. We've got a lot of spring colours coming through. So I will try this one out. I'm going to go do my makeup after this video so that I can try out 2 of the things that are in this box. And this will be one of them. So if you hang on to the end, I'll give you a proper review. Okay, next was a what will you receive, and I can tell you that one of these things I've received in a box before, and that is the Nails Inc nail colour in Mayfair Lane. Luckily, did not receive that this time. I got the other thing, which is a Beauty Crop Avocado XXL Primer. So this is £22? Glossybox apparently have a thing for expensive primers. Like, my absolute favourite primer ever is the Figs and Rouge Soft Blurring Pore Minimising Primer, which is, if you buy it direct from them, it's a ridiculous price. I think it's like 27 quid or something. I got it in a Glossybox about 18 months ago, and I've since hunted it down on Vinted, because I know OK Beauty Box in the UK had it a few months ago in their box, and I managed to get another one for like £5, and it's the best primer. But I'm hoping this is good as well. This might be brilliant. Again, I'm going to try it out. So let's have a read what it says. Minimises pores, smooth skin and achieve a lasting makeup look with the Beauty Crops Avocado Primer. With a nourishing milky serum infused with avocado, your skin will be packed with moisture for a healthy complexion. Okay, cool. Pore minimising, vitamin packed, skin blurring technology. Okay, cool. We'll give it a try. So yes, I'll try both of these out and then give you an opinion in a second. I'll just finish up the last thing in the box, which is going to be used at the end of today. So I'll have to review that in a comment. Now this is another one where we could have got one of 3 different things. So we could have got the Glove Heart Cleansing Pads, the Magnitone Wipeout Swipes, or Frank Body Lucky Dip Face Cleanser Caffeinated Face Moisturizer. I don't know, some kind of fish thing, but I didn't get that. I got the Wipeout Swipes. So these are obviously makeup removers. They're the reusable ones, and I definitely need to replace mine. I have a Go Play Cosmetics lip skit where you can mix your own lipstick colours, liquid lipsticks. I've got a review on my channel if anyone's interested. It's a fantastic gadget. It's one of the best things I've ever bought. Kickstarted it when it came out a couple of years ago. But it's a really, really good formula in that it does not wash off your makeup remover pads. So I definitely need some new ones of these. This is very timely for me. So let's see what Glossybox say about it. Wipeout Swipes. These eco-friendly wipeout swipes will become a self-care essential, and the environment will certainly love you for it. These soft wipes, suitable for sensitive skin, are perfect for removing makeup and refreshing your skin. £8. So let's have a look at these. Oh, they're cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the cute. Oh, they're quite thick and a bit fluffy, which is exactly the ones I like. Oh, they feel really nice. They're obviously microfiber. Yeah. Okay, yeah, they feel good. Oh, they're going to be so nice. I might just sit and do this. This might be my day, just rubbing microfiber wipes across my face. Okay, I'll stop doing that. Between these and this is a very tactile box. Yeah, fantastic. Makeup swipey things. Yay! Right, so give me 2 minutes. I am just going to go and do my face. I'll try out this, and I'll come back and I'll do a bit of a roundup on the box. So not be a second. Hang on. And we're back. And that's better. I feel like a human being again. Okay, so this is what I tried out on my face. It's primer. It's pretty nice. It smells basically inoffensive. Doesn't smell of avocados, much as I thought it would. It has just a little squeezy tip. So you just squeeze it a little bit out, stick it on your face, and it does the job. It says it's pore minimising. I'm always a bit dubious about the pore minimising claim because I don't really think you can minimise pores. Like, we all know that on TikTok it's just people putting powder on their faces, and that's just lighting and bad camera quality. But you know, it does a decent job. My base foundation and everything went over it fine, and it felt quite nice on the skin. So yay, that is good. I am fine with this. I like Beauty Crop anyway, so I kind of thought I was going to be okay with it as it was anyway. This, I might not be able to pronounce their name, but my goodness do they make a good mascara. I don't know how well you can actually see my lashes, but they're definitely longer than they usually look. So yeah, I think that does exactly what it says on the tin. Great lengths. It lengthened it, it volumized it, it separated them. I am sold, and I really wish this had arrived a month earlier so I wouldn't have had to spend money on the L'Oreal one, which, although yes, good mascara, I think this is better. Shocker. Shocker indeed. Glossybox have given us a box with 5 things in it that I actually like. Now, I know there are going to be people out there complaining that they've given us a primer, some makeup wipes, and a mascara or a nail varnish, whichever one you got. People are going to complain because it's not good makeup. It's technically makeup, skincare, and mascara, which we get loads of along with eyeliners, but it's safe makeup. It's things people are going to use. Which is why they always give us neutral eyeshadow palettes, and I'm aware I'm a hypocrite for complaining because I hate the fact they always give us safe neutral eyeshadow palettes, but I'm okay with giving us safe mascara and primer. But overall, it is just nice to know that Glossybox can put together a good box. I mean, we've got the Christoph Robin hair scrub, fantastic. It's possibly a repeat product, but it's a repeat product I don't mind. We've got the scalp massager that I've been meaning to buy for about a year. We've got little eco-friendly makeup removal wipes, which are cute. And we have the primer and the mascara, which, you know, overall, I am not going to complain about this box. I think this box is really good. And look how cute they all are. They're all pastel-y, spring themed. It goes on trend with the box that they designed. This blooming great or whatever it's called this month. Bloom and Grow, and it's a springy themed box with springy pastel-y coloured things in that are all stuff I'm going to use. And they sent it to me on the first day of shipping. Like, Glossybox. Glossybox, I think you did something this month. Well done. Please, please, please keep this up. This is what I want every single month. So yeah, I'm happy. That's great. Woo! Okay. Right, so now we've had a good one. Let's hope that the next time you come back to my mythos, it's equally positive. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you come back to my mythos soon. Bye!